Hi virtuous people, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's Skill Matters, what we have for you is how to make orange, pineapple, carrot juice. Each of these fruits I have mentioned has a lot of health benefits, of which when they are mixed together, they does wonders in our health. The beautiful result and inviting juice you are seeing on my table is the result of it all. If you want to know how I came up with this result, please sit back. Let's get right into the video. The recipes we have for the orange, pineapple, carrot juice are set on the table. As you can see, we have some oranges, we have pineapple, and we have some carrots. All these fruits have each of their health benefits, of which we are going to start with the health benefits of orange. Orange are excellent source of vitamin C. Orange prevents skin damages. It keeps blood pressure under check. Orange lowers our cholesterol. It lowers the risk of cancer, and it controls blood sugar level. Orange can be had not only as a snack but also as a major recipe ingredient in various dishes. For the health benefits of pineapple. Pineapple are tropical fruits that are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. They help boost the immune system. Pineapple help build strong bones and aid in digestion. And just bear in mind that despite its sweetness, pineapple are low in calories, mainly when it is prepared naturally, just the way I am going to make it without no additive. Now I want to start washing my fruit before using them for the juice, but before I do that, I want to rinse the tray that I will use and put them after washing. Note that it is very important to wash our fruit to get rid of germs and jargons on the surface before using them for our juice. This is how I will keep washing them one after the other until I am done. This is my orange. As you can see, the next thing I want to do is to start peeling off the skin one after the other until I am done. And I will also do same to the pineapple. After peeling their skin off, I will now cut them into chunks, and after doing that off the camera, I will get back to you, okay? I'm done peeling and cutting my fruit into chunks. This is my juicer. As you can see, guys, on this stage you can add sugar to the fruit if you want, but for me, I don't want to add sugar. Now I want to start scooping in my fruit one after the other to the juicer, and here we goes with our juice. For those of you that has been watching up to this stage, you will remember that I do not say the health benefit of carrot initially. So this is the benefit of those of you watching up to this stage. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamins, nutrients, and fibers. You don't have to eat carrots before you receive the nutritional benefit, but drinking carrot juice just the way I am making it is an easy way to add carrots to your diet. Carrot increases metabolism. It is good for our sight. Carrot improves skin disorders. It boosts our immune system. Carrot reduces cancer risk. It lowers your cholesterol. It is healthier to eat carrot during pregnancy. Where are those our pregnant women here? Please go research to be sure of what you eat during pregnancy. On this junction, guys, our orange, pineapple, carrot juice is ready. Let's go to the table, guys, and do it some good. This is a pure juice. You can sieve it at this stage if you want, but this my juicer have a very strong sieve. There is no need of sieving it. Can you see how pure and inviting it looks like? This is lovely. This is good. Guys, the orange, pineapple, carrot juice is ready, as we all know. Do you see how inviting it looks like? You can drink it just the way it is and you are done for 1 or 2 square meal daily, or you can take it with any snack of your choice. Whether sugar or not, guys, this juice is naturally sweet. If you have been searching for a healthy natural juice, this is one of them. Please try this recipe and find out what I've been saying by yourself. If you find this video interesting, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share this video and drop your comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.